My name is Wilborn Poole. If something was happening with me, it was happening so slow, I didn't realize it. Dr. King asked me, "You short of breath, tired?" Nope. You know, that's strange. I didn't realize I had any irregular heartbeat and the valve was not working properly.
I had asked God for a sign, and that sign came on the local news when there was an interview with Dr. Thompson describing how wonderful the TAVR procedure is, and he also mentioned that Memorial was the first hospital in the U.S. to receive recertification.
They provided all the information I needed, even after it was over. Misty, she was with me every step of the way. If someone's on the fence and they don't know which way to go, I'd say have it done yesterday. It's nothing to it.